In this video, I'll be sharing with you 3 techniques that I like to use to convey reflections in calm bodies of water. I'll be sharing a time lapse of a painting that I did, and I'll point out exactly where each of those techniques got used so you can know where to apply them in your own paintings. And if this happens to be your first time here, hello, I'm Susan, and I help artists discover the joy of watercolor, mistakes, and all. So let's get started. You can apply the 3 techniques that you've seen in this video to not only calm bodies of water, but also water that has more disturbance as well. And if you'd like to dive deeper into how to do this, I have a full class inside of my painting membership, Paint With Me. And if you're interested, I'll leave a link below in the description. I'd love to paint with you. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.